Who's this? Me? Can't be. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has literally been so long. I think it's been like 3 weeks since I posted a video, but I've gained so many subscribers since then. I think like 200. Right now I'm like at 400. Might not be a lot to y'all, but it's a lot to me. And I just want to say, if you're new, welcome. And if you're not, then thank you for clicking on this video. But today is going to be a hair video because listen, I haven't got my hair done in so long, but I actually just got my package today. I'm so excited, y'all. Yo, you know when you don't get your hair done, you just don't even feel like yourself? That's literally me. Like, I haven't felt like myself in so long, but I finally got my hair today, and I'm actually about to wash my hair and then go to my friend's house because she's gonna braid my hair for me. But yeah. Oh, and I got these new lashes. Yes, baby, get into it. But I'm gonna put the link down below from where I got these lashes from. So usually I've never had curly hair. Wait, my makeup looks like weird. All right, anyway, I've never had curly hair. Usually I have like wavy or straight hair. So I'm like, you know what, this time let me get some curly hair. You know, I think I'll look cute with it. So I ordered hair from Eullair. I honestly don't really know how to pronounce it. Eullair, whatever. It's okay. But I saw somebody wearing it and it looked really nice and it was really cheap too. So I was like, perfect. Let me order this hair. And it came in like, when did I order it? Oh, I ordered it Friday and it came in Wednesday, so less than a week. So yeah, this is the packaging. I wanted to wait like before opening it so I could open it in front of you guys for the first time. But okay. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it comes in this little like drawstring bag. And so this is the hair. Ooh. This is the hair. I'm obviously gonna like take it apart and show you guys. I got the 22 inches. Oh, this is cute. Comes with lashes. That's really cute. So I'm just gonna take the net off of here. If I can get it off. Wow. Okay, this hair is very, 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 very nice. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. And like I'm pulling on it and it's literally not even shedding. Let me back up so I can show you guys. Look how nice it is. It's so soft. This wig with the 22 inches was 160 something. Like I'll round it to like 170, which is obviously that's not bad at all. But I'm gonna put the link down below from where I got it from so you guys could just go right on the website. But this hair is so super nice. I can't wait to wash it, pluck it. And I think I'm definitely gonna bleach the knots. I'll show you guys everything. I'm gonna like, this is gonna be like a whole long video of how I install my wigs. But this hair is so nice. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna look so like weird with curly hair, but hopefully it looks good. All right, y'all, I got my gel braids. I know I said I was gonna record or whatever at her house, but literally like, it's just not that serious. But okay, so I'm using these because I don't have T-pins. Mad ghetto, but it's fine. So I'm gonna pluck it first, and Sheree had some bleach, so I'm gonna use that after this. But I'm just gonna wet the hair first. Oh my god. So I literally suck at this, but I went ahead and I plucked half of it already. I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Pluck this side, and then there's this side. So you guys see the difference? Yeah. Look at that. Wait, let me like tie the hair back. So you see that? And that. That's what it needs to look like. This is what I'm doing. You know what? Let me put some gloves on. So basically all you need is these two products, and it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but these two products, something, a bowl, anything to mix it with, and then a brush that you're gonna use to put on the hair. So first we're actually gonna do the powder. It's really strong. Oh my gosh. It's really strong, so be careful. So I'm just using 1 scoopful. I don't know exactly how much I want to use, so I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time, and then I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Put that in there. I know I definitely need more of this. And then basically just mix it together. All right, so now it just looks like that. And it's really thick. And that's how I want it actually, because if it's really, really runny, it's gonna go straight through and dye like the actual hair, but we just wanna get the roots and the knots. So I want it thick, and I think that's good enough. And I'm not gonna bleach this for long at all, because I don't want this turning orange. I'd rather it just not be bleached enough than for it to be orange. But yeah, so I guess we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna come back and check in like 5 minutes. Wait, let me pull this down a little more. I'll be back in like 5 minutes to check on this. Hopefully I didn't mess this whole thing up. I'm back. So I bleached the knots, and listen, this is what it looks like right now with the bleached knots. So now I got my popsicle stick and then my Ghost Bond Classic. Literally, I ordered this off of Amazon. Let's put this baby on. You know what? I'm lying. I really am lying. That's not what I'm gonna do next. I'm actually going to. All right, now we can put it on. Oh wow, this is really tight, but in a good way. Usually when I get wigs, they are not tight on my head like at all. Wait a second. Wait a second. All right, so now, this is like the most important part. I'm going to cut straight down the middle. All right, I'm not gonna go crazy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it, and then I'll just cut it some more if I really want to. And then I also have to cut by my ear, but listen, we'll do that. Whew. And my hairline's weird, like my real hairline. My hair like comes down here more. So when I do my edges, I'm gonna make sure that it like covers that. You know, everyone's hairline is different, so now I'm actually gonna cut my sideburns. So just like move the hair and look at where your ear is. Mine is like right in there. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and poke a hole in. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead. And it's okay if you cut the hair this part, because you don't need like any of this. we can literally cut this whole part right here off. Alright, so now I have sideburns. Hey, baby. Ooh. Chill, baby, chill. Okay. I appreciate you. Thank you. Is that Chinese? Ew, from Panda Express? That's gross. This is Jeremiah, y'all. Oh. Alright, it doesn't have to be perfect. But, yeah. So, I just start off in the middle. I do the middle section first, and then I do both sides because I can't do it all in one. I don't trust myself. I know I messed up. And now I'm just gonna use a blow dryer until it's clear and sticky, and then I'll stick that on and then do the other side. I'm gonna use my rat tail, and then I'm just gonna put the hair down. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna do literally the same exact thing to this side. All right, y'all, I know it looks crazy right now, but wait till I do the baby hairs and then y'all can say something. All right, so Nai's helping me. I'm gonna do my edges while she does my hair. Go ahead. I don't care if you get the shirt wet because I'm about to change it anyway right after this, so you can just do your thing. You would have thought arrogant tape in my hair. Yeah, he did it. Okay, I'm doing my edges. Wow, that's all I have to say.
Hey, Daddy.
Wait, who's this? Me? Can't be. No, this looks so good. Do you guys see this? Wow. But I'm gonna put the link in my description box of where I got the hair and where I got these lashes from. But I told you guys, I promise I'm gonna be posting more because I know I haven't posted in that long. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, Nye?
Yeah, like and subscribe to this video.
Period. But no, see. Come look at my hair, Sheree. It was like weird.
This. Wait.
I just ripped myself in the eye. Yeah. I don't even know how I did this, but I'm just glad it turned out good. All right, I love you guys and thank you for watching. Mwah.